everybody, welcome to Sugar's Delight. Today I'm going to show you another delicious recipe with carrots. And this recipe is carrot burfi. Let me show you how to make it. For this recipe, first we'll have to shred 6 peeled carrots. The carrots are now shredded within a second. Once the carrots are shredded, we'll have to add a tablespoon of ghee. Let it melt. And yeah, it's melted. Now let's add our 6 shredded carrots. This is around 3 cups. That's it. Let's mix it well. Since the carrots are changing in color now, it's a perfect time for us to add 3/4 cups of milk. Let's mix it well. I've been cooking this for 5 minutes and the milk has thickened and it has reduced also. Now let's add 1/2 cup of sugar. This is brown sugar. If you are taking white sugar, you can add a bit lesser so that the sweetness would be perfect for you. Now let's add 1/2 cup of milk powder. Mix well. Let's add a teaspoon of ghee and mix it well. It looks delicious. see, our yummy and delicious carrot burfi is ready. Try this recipe at your home. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. And also, click the bell icon near the subscribe button to receive the notifications of my new videos. Bye!